Wildcat approaching is the early trailer, passing by the judge stand for the first down. We have Gold Dodgers Go, followed closely by Bush Carnival in second. Sacred Hold is down in third. Virginia comes next. Wildcat approaching is still racing in fifth. And going along for the first turn, we have Gold Dodgers Go. Bush Carnival alongside. Sacred Hold comes next. Cut approaching while Virginia now running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled with Sacred Hold. Gold Dodgers Go. Bush Carnival is on the outside. Virginia now down in third. Wildcat approaching, now racing in fifth. And at the third turn we have Sacred Hold, this time by about 3 lengths. Bush Carnival in second. Look who's dashing down on the inside, and that's Virginia. Go Dodgers Go, turning out, dropping back in third. Wildcat approaching, is still running at the tail of the field. And then entering the horse race, we have Sacred Hold, double length and a half. Virginia in second. Bush Carnival is on the outside. Go Dodgers Go, Cut approaching as they swing for home. The lead now belongs to Virginia. Sacred Hold drives back in second, moving upon the outside. Bush Carnival with about 100 meters up the race, we have Virginia, followed by Bush Carnival, and finally it's Virginia, Bush Carnival, then comes close between Go Dodgers Go and Sacred Hold.